So what Lee's going to show us is some graphs actually show the difference between why is this so fast? Like, should we care? So we're going to actually see the exact differences in how does this look on SageMaker, and what is how many images per second can we process, how fast it is to get these images to your training jobs. Because remember, keep them GPUs hydrated.
That's right.
Okay.
All right.
So what do we have here?
So we're going through the SageMaker, and then we have down here, here's our graphs.
Okay.
So what we're comparing here is the difference between file mode, which it downloads all the data to your EBS volume that's on your SageMaker instance, or fast file mode, which Emily talked about, but with either S3 or with S3 Express. Now you see it's the same performance for this portion because it's just downloading the metadata. And obviously it takes a lot longer for file mode because it's actually going to download everything, right? And then we look at the training sample throughput. So this is images per second, so more is better.
More is better.
And in this case, the file mode obviously is going to win out because the data is already local.
Yeah.
But you see the difference between fast file mode for S3 Express and for S3 is huge, right?
Yeah.
Especially now these are two different data sets. One, it's all the exact same size of data and the same data. It's just some are made into larger files. So we have the small files and large files, but it's the exact same data. So you can see definitely the difference in how much faster fast file is.
This is actually a really fair point because we've seen fast file in like the previous example from Emily. She said when her training job was running, it was using fast file specifically for small files. Lots of overhead here, right? Super tiny files.
Exactly.
If we need to ingest a lot of small files into our training jobs, S3 Express One Zone is definitely miles ahead of just using fast file.
Absolutely, absolutely, much faster. And then we also want to look at our total billable time, because this is about that. How long is our job actually going to take, right? And then we can see that fast file with S3 is taking a lot longer. So fast file mode is 6 times faster.
6 times faster. Why is this important?
Saving the money, right?
Money, exactly.
Money, right. Faster times, less money.
Yeah. Well, technically, the less time your GPUs don't do anything, the less time your GPUs are idle, the more money you will save ultimately. So the faster you can get the files to your training jobs to keep on chugging, keep them hydrated. I'm gonna abuse that all day. The faster it's gonna be, the less it's gonna cost you. So ultimately, this is the choice here to use S3 Express One Zone is. Are you going to save money? Does it make sense? A lot of small files, and all that fun stuff.
Awesome. Lee, you mentioned this was part of a workshop. We're coming to the end of our time here. If someone wants to go and get access to this workshop, is it available, or where could they find it?
Well, unfortunately, you do need an AWS event to actually do that. So we're going to do it when Darko's thing on April 18th. So
April 18th, yes. April 18th, join us live on twitch.tv/AWS as Lee, myself, and a few other folks do this workshop, and you can also follow along. We're going to give you access to the workshop. You can play around. You can actually test this thing, and why not?
Yeah. And as for us, we will be right back. We have more from
Superman
in the past.
Superman.
No, we'll be back with Suman, but stay tuned right now, and we'll be back. We will be back on the stream in about 15 minutes or so, so go get some coffee, some water, whatever it is you gotta do, but we want you to watch, so leave the volume up, and we'll see you soon.
Bye. Bye-bye.